Hello students, now we will discuss ray optics, refraction. Next topic is lens formula for convex lens when virtual image is formed. Lens formula for convex lens if virtual image is formed. Lens formula is the relation between the distance of object u, the distance of image v, and focal length f of the lens from optical center is called lens formula and is given by 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Suppose this is convex lens. This is the point O, optical center of the convex lens, and line passing through is normal to the surface of lens is a principal axis, and these two points F are focus point on either side of the convex lens. Now virtual image is formed if object is placed between focus point and optical center. Let an object AB is placed between O, optical center, and F, focus point. This is the object AB between the optical center and focus point. A ray of light from object A parallel to principal axis passes through the focus point after refraction according to first rule to draw ray diagram. This is the incident ray AE, which is parallel to principal axis, and it passed through focus point after refraction. And another ray of light from point A passing through the optical center passes undeviated according to third rule to draw ray diagram. So this is the incident ray AO passing through optical center, and it passes undeviated. Now these two rays of light are diverging and appear to be coming from point A dash. So A dash is the virtual image of point A. From point A dash, draw perpendicular A dash B dash. So A dash B dash is the virtual image of object AB. Join EO. The perpendicular A dash B dash drawn from point A dash on the principal axis is the virtual image of the object AB. Now from the figure above, triangle OAB and triangle OA-B dash, they are similar. That is, triangle OAB similar triangle OA-B dash. And in similar triangles, the ratio of corresponding sides is same. Therefore, AB upon A dash B dash, AB upon A dash B dash is equal to OB upon OB dash is equal to OB upon OB dash. Put it equation number 1. Now in triangle EOF and triangle A dash B dash F, they are similar. Similarly, triangle EOF similar triangle A dash B dash F. Therefore, EO upon A dash B dash is equal to OF upon FB dash. EO upon A dash B dash is equal to OF upon FB dash. Now all the distance must be measured from optical center, and also EO is equal to AB. Therefore we get AB upon A dash B dash is equal to OF upon FB dash, because EO is equal to AB. Put this equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2 we get OB upon OB dash is equal to OF upon FB dash. Now all the distances are measured from optical center O. Therefore, put FB dash is equal to OF plus OB dash or OB dash plus OF. As all the distances are measured from optical center O, therefore put FB dash is equal to OB dash plus OF. The remaining distances are already from the optical center O. Therefore, OB upon OB dash is equal to OF upon OB dash plus OF. Put it equation number 3. Now using the new sign of convention, OB is equal to minus U. It is negative because this distance is against the incident ray, distance of the object from length. OB dash is equal to minus V, distance of image from the lens. This is also negative because it is also against the incident ray, against the direction of incident ray. OF is equal to F, the focal length of the lens. It is positive because it is in the same direction of incident ray. Therefore, from equation 3, minus U upon minus V is equal to F upon minus V plus F. Minus minus cancel each other. So we get U upon V is equal to F upon minus V plus F. Cross multiply, we get VF is equal to U into within the bracket minus V plus F. Now in the right hand side open the bracket, so we get VF is equal to minus UV plus UF, or by rearranging we get UV is equal to UF minus VF. Now dividing both sides by UVF, we get UV upon UVF is equal to UF upon UVF minus VF upon UVF. In the left hand side, UV cancel each other. In the right hand side, in the first term, U cancel with U and F cancel with F. And in the second term in the right hand side, VF cancel with VF. So we left 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Put this question number 4. This is the required lens formula for convex lens if image formed is virtual. The formula remains same if image is real or virtual. Thank you very much.